Caretaker Pakistani Prime Minister Anwarul Haq Kakar's address at the UN General Assembly, in which he forcefully raised the Kashmiris' right to self-determination at the Global Forum, continues to receive praise among the people in occupied Kashmir. According to Kashmir Media Service, APHC General Secretary Maulvi Bashir Ahmad Irfani, in a message from the Central Jail Srinagar today, said the speech of the Prime Minister at UN exposed the Indian illegal occupation. Special Terrorist and Disruptive Activities Prevention Act Court in Srinagar has rejected the bail application of 10 Kashmiri youth linked with Jammu and Kashmir Liberation Front and other Hurriyat organizations. According to Kashmir Media Service, all of them were arrested from a restaurant in July this year. Rifleman Amit Kumar's father has written a letter to the Army Chief General Manoj Pandey seeking a clarification from him over the circumstances leading to the death of his son. According to Kashmir Media Service, in the letter, the father of the deceased, Amit Kumar, a resident of Akhnur, Jammu, stated that his son was recently attached with 33 Corps as a Sahayak of a senior army officer. Canada's Defence Minister Bill Blair has said that if the allegations are proved true, there is a very significant concern that Canada will have with respect to the violation of our sovereignty in the murder of a Canadian citizen on the Canadian soil. He said this in an interview. Gurpantwant Singh Pannu, leader of the Sikhs for Justice based in New York in Canada, has said that Narendra Modi's India has become a global threat. According to Kashmir Media Service, Pannu in a video message said, after an act of terrorism in Canada by assassinating Hardeep Singh Nijjar, Indian media and Indian Parliament are openly giving a call for surgical strike and nuking Canada. They are terming Mr. Trudeau as a terrorist. Modi-led Indian regime has launched an anti-Sikh drive in the name of targeting pro-Khalistan activists, which include the seizure of the properties in India and cancellation of their overseas citizenship cards, which allow visa-free entry. According to Kashmir Media Service, India's notorious National Investigation Agency took the action of seeking the property of Gurpantwant Singh Pannu as the first step in the drive against the Sikh community. At least 7 persons were assaulted and robbed of their belongings by dacoits in the Sambalpur Jammu Tawi Express in the Jharkhand state. Gulmarg, the world's famous health and skiing resort, received season's first snowfall as prolonged dry weather continued elsewhere in the Kashmir Valley.